Hi everybody! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a post on the Iowa Oncology Navigation Network, or IONN, member forum. Here you can see I'm on the IONN member page. I just scroll down, and here's the members only forum. There are several different topics that you can click on and post within, or you can create a new topic. First, I'll show you how to make a post within an existing topic. Go ahead and click on the topic related to your question or resource that you'd like to share. Click on Reply, and here you can type your post like you would an email. You can even format the text and attach a file. When you're ready, click Post. Now I'll show you how to create a new topic. Go back out to the member forum and click Create Topic. The subject will be the topic name. Go ahead and post anything here that you'd like. You'll notice that there is a Subscribe to Topic option. This will email you a digest of any new replies that are added to this topic either daily, weekly, or immediately after they're posted. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us.